luce che tu dai.
Yo,
Bro, that was sick, bro.
you know it's back. It's Steven back with a new video in it. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna take over his channel. You know what I'm saying in it? So like I'm controlling his channel, but you just wanted me to react to some new reaction. So I'm here to watch it. You can't give me no talk, none at all, yeah? You know what I'm saying in it?
Okay, guys, what is up? It's your boy Kim here again, back with another Marcelito Pomoy reaction. So on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Marcelito Pomoy, the Prior. And it's not my very first time though. It's his first time, so we're gonna experience something different than this song. So without further ado, peeps, let's dive right into what we
Yeah,
have
let's
to
see
say.
what Pomoy have for me.
Wish 1075.
I pray you'll be alright.
Off the rip, these type of energy, we just don't know say this song is gonna be good in it. The song is gonna be good for me. Him start out with that first line, fire, don't eat. He's bringing.
Bro, this is crazy.
No,
bro. This is really crazy.
This a man with a woman, a lady's voice.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro.
You know, say if I like some other people, with a bunny mouth, but
Guys, that is just natural talent for me.
yeah, talent.
Yeah, natural talent.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
In watches where we go, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer.
We all know the original song to this,
Yeah, bro.
and it sounds the same. It's just perfect. It's on point.
Bro, it is just perfect. We all know it's Celine Dion's song, but bro, he sounds as if he's Celine Dion herself, bro. I mean, like, bro, that's mind blowing. That's really mind blowing, guys. Like,
Damn.
it's really unbelievable. Trust me.
Yeah. So let's dive back in.
When we lose our way, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu dai.
Yo.
Bro, that was sick, bro.
Hold on. What me just weakness a while ago? No.
Bro, that transition was sick, bro. I mean, like, bro,
Damn.
that was unexpected.
That was on point. I didn't expect the change so quick.
Yeah, guys, to be honest, I've done a reaction before, and this sounds as if it's my very first time. He's always giving us a lot of surprises, bro.
Yeah.
Always on point, bro.
Damn, I didn't expect the change.
True.
He just switch up like that. So let's dive in back in the video.
I pray we'll find your light
Nel cuore resterà
and hold within our heart.
a ricordarci che
The stars go out each night.
eterna.
No, this man need a sign to a label or something,
Yeah,
because this switch like that, like just like the song, a verse, then the man voice, the lady voice, the man voice. It's like it's just on key, it's in key, it's on point in it. Like, damn, that is just talent in it. It's actually that talent. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro, that is just pure talent. It is just spectacular to see and to hear him like this, bro. I mean, like, we have a lot of singers out there in the world, but, bro, he's just unique. He's peculiar. He's just different from the rest, bro. I mean, like, where can you find the next man like him, bro? There is none like him because he's just unique with his style. Everything is just on point, bro.
Alright, let's dive in the video again. Let's see what's going on.
Massive respect, bro.
Yeah.
Stella se nella mia preghiera,
Let this be our prayer
quanta fede c'è.
when shadows fill our day.
Lead us to a place,
Guide us with your grace.
give us faith so we'll be saved. Sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia, di speranza. Ognuno di la mano a sua vicina, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ci dai
We ask that light be kind
ed essere ocean,
in waters from above.
ognuno trovi amore
We hope it's so we'll find.
intorno e dentro.
Bro, that's insane, bro. I mean, like, the Spanish transition, bro, it's killing it, bro. It's really killing it, bro. Trust me. Bro.
Pomoy, can we exchange voice box for just a day? I need to have I need that voice pen.
Bro, don't worry, bro.
Damn.
Don't worry, bro. You can practice enough to get there, bro.
No, bro, that's
Don't worry, bro.
from his young. Probably he's practicing from his small. Probably he's just practicing from his young. Get me? So, damn,
Bro,
Poor
this is raw
talent. Poor talent.
Raw
Making
talent, man.
making his parents proud. Like, it's just different. Like how you see me do my transition, different accents. So I have my talent. Yes, is get me. You know.
Bro, he's crazy.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Let's see what's there
He's
again.
crazy. He's crazy.
Let's finish the video.
He's crazy.
Let's finish the video.
Okay, guys, let's continue.
Another soul to love.
Let this be our prayer,
Let this be our prayer.
just like every child.
Just like every child.
Need to find a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be saved. Il a fait que I just saw it. Sento che ci salva.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Damn. Yo, it's just built different. Built different, man.
Bro, this guy deserves an Oscar, bro. He deserves an Oscar.
Yeah,
Trust
man.
me, bro. Bro, how can one person be so cool with the voice transitioning, bro? I mean, like, from a male to a female, bro. It's like sometimes I even wonder if his voice box is even shifting, or moving from one spot to the next, bro.
Look, it's just pure talent. You know, maybe mother can sing, father can sing. You just get bored their voice choosing one. So it just pure talent. So just remember, subscribe to official Keem. You get me?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, guys, and if you guys do love my cousin's reaction, subscribe for more. He'll always be on this platform once you guys subscribe for more.
You hear me? We have a YouTube channel, you know. Steven and Jessica.
Yeah, guys, you need to subscribe to his page.
Subscribe.
His link will be provided down in the comments and also pinned in the description. So feel free to go and hit the subscription
man,
button
hit them.
and subscribe to him. Support him, guys.
Just support me in it, yeah?
Peace.